This homeowner solved his pigeon problem in 10 minutes with zero maintenance forever. These marine-grade 304 stainless steel spikes from birdspikes.company install in minutes using simple screws, glue, or zip ties. The transparent base mounts on any surface, curved, flat, or irregular. Unlike plastic spikes that break down, these last a lifetime outdoors without rusting. Each strip has 60 spikes keeping pigeons, gulls, and even cats away without harm. One customer said big birds, small birds, cats, they all stay off now. Get your bird-free property today. Order now from birdspikes.company today.